Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do this cheese model in your Blender. First, we start a new file, new, general, don't save, and you have this cube. We need to delete the light by pressing the delete key, and camera delete first. And then we have this collection. We rename it to cube for this cube. And go to scene. We need a new collection, and we rename sphere, because we need to delete the sphere from the cube. First, we need to make it into a cheese shape for this cube. So we need to click here, cube, and go to edit mode. After you go to edit mode, you go to vertices. And then you right click, merge vertices at the center. And for the bottom, we do the same, merge at the center. So after you merge, you select all by or you select all by pressing A on your keyboard. And then press S and X to scale. I want to make it slightly larger, so I press S and Y. Okay, this will be my cube cheese. Click on this sphere. Now you go to object mode and add mesh UV sphere. Press S to scale it. Okay, and G to move it out a bit. It's too big, so I scale it again to make it smaller, and then Shift D to duplicate it, and S to scale it, and G to move it. Okay, now Shift D to duplicate it, and Shift D to duplicate it, Shift D to duplicate it, G to move it. Okay, now we have a cheese here. Okay, keep the vertices here, and to G, move it slightly a bit here because it's out of shape, and G to move it, straighten it up. Okay, now we have a cube and a sphere collection. Cube collection, sphere collection. Now go to object mode and go to modifier. Make sure it is cube here, and then you need to add modifier, generate boolean, differences, and go to collection, type. Now make sure it is in cube. After you add the boolean modifier into the cube here for this collection, and you add another modifier, which is the edge split. After you add the edge split, you go back to object mode, and then you close the eye to hide the sphere. Now you can see your cheese, but you need to smooth the inside. So what you can do is select all, make sure it is in object mode, object, shade smooth. Now everything is smooth here, and then only you close the eye to hide the sphere.